In this video, I'm going to show you how to make table of contents in Word. So the first thing you want to do is of course have some content inside your document. And the one important thing is that where you have titles, so let's say I'm going to put this as title 1 and then title 2, and let's say title 2 has something else below it. So let's say I want to have 1 and then surnames and then 2 names, and there we go. I have a title 3 and that's it. So the first thing you want to do is have headings of these. So let's say this first title, second title, and third title are the main headings of my text, okay, of my content that's written inside my document. So you want to highlight over the first title, go over here to home, to where it says styles, and make sure to add a heading style to the first one. And then the second one as well, okay, highlighted heading, and then the third one as well, as we said. And these surnames and names, let's say we want to put them as 2, okay? So the heading 2, which is basically a subheading of heading 1, okay? And when you press this, there we go. You want to press to the second one too. And as you can see, once you create a heading 2, a heading 3 will appear as well. So in case you have a heading 3, let's say had something written down below names. So let's say I want to have Abby and Jack, and then you want to make them heading 3. As you can see, heading 4 has now appeared, and you can go as long as you want to, and the multiple headings will appear. Now I have the main heading, and the second headings, and the third headings, okay? And now you have everything you need. You have, of course, some text under each heading, and then the way you make a table of contents is very simple. The first thing I would recommend you do is simply add a page number inside your Word document, and the way you do this is simply double-clicking inside the footer. There we go. And then over here, as you can see the page number on the third option, okay? It says page number. You want to press this, and then select bottom of page over here, and then you can select a style. So let's say I want display number 2, okay? So which will put a number with no formatting in the middle of the page at the bottom. You want to press this. There we go. And then you want to close down the header or footer, okay? Now I'm showing you the basics, but you can of course customize this as you wish. Now what I would recommend you to do then is simply create a separate page like in front, because the table of contents is usually of course at the front of a document. So you want to go to insert, at the beginning of the page first, click insert, and then over here you want to click a blank page. There we go, and this will create a blank page up here, okay? And now what you want to do, let me just make this normal, there we go. What you want to do up here is simply go to insert, and then over here, you want to go to references, okay? You want to go to references, and then click the table of contents. You want to press this, and then over here, you will have the options to make an automatic table, okay? So we have 1, 2, and 3 and stuff like that, okay? You can make an automatic table or a table of contents which is manual. We're going to do a manual right now, and I'm going to show you the automatic as well. So let's do the automatic first. Let's do the automatic table number 2. When you press on it, as you can see, we've gotten ourselves a table of contents, and it says title 1, title 2, surnames, Abby, and title 3, okay? And that's exactly how we customized it earlier, okay? Let's put in another one though. Let's go over here and put manual table. And then as you can see, you can type them in as you would like, okay? So that's good in case you don't have these titlings and headings sorted out, but of course I would recommend you have them, okay? So in case you have already done the headings, which is the first most important part, you then can click the automatic table 1 or 2. There's little difference between the two, and as you can see, you now have a table of contents, and it works perfectly and will update when you update the pages or some titles or add something. It will update if you click on it, go up here to where it says update table, and then you want to update page numbers only in case that's what you want to do, or update the entire table. I usually always like to do the entire table, so you want to click over here, press OK, and this will update the entire table whenever you've done some changes. And that's it.